Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, today we are making Seekh Kebabs and it's gonna be all homemade recipe behind me. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So this is 2 pound lean ground beef. We're gonna add this first in our mix master. Now we're gonna add some ginger, some garlic and green chili in our processor, and we're gonna process it first. This is one whole red onion. We're gonna process this as well. In dry spice, 1 tablespoon of red chili, 1 coriander, 1 black pepper, 1 carom seeds, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Here I have dried cilantro. It's lightly dried cilantro. We're gonna add at least 2 to 3 spoons of cilantro. Adding 1 egg in the mixture. So here guys, I'm adding 1 handful of mozzarella cheese. It's gonna keep our kebabs, our meat, soft and juicy from the inside. Our mixture is ready. Now you can put this mixture on skewers, or you can just put it on a baking tray. You just have to make sure the meat stay intact, and just like that you can put it on a baking tray. guys, here we are baking our kebabs at 425 Fahrenheit. And after 10 minutes, we're gonna flip the sides. I'm adding some fresh small tomatoes right next to it. After 10 minutes, we're gonna flip the sides. We're gonna do it gently because we don't want to break our kebabs. And we're gonna let it cook for next 10 minutes after flipping the sides. We're gonna dish out our kebabs gently. They are very soft and juicy right now. This is by far the best recipe of Seekh Kebabs. You guys should try this recipe. It's really good. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with another and great recipe. Until then, take care guys. See you next time. Bye.